Hello guys, after a long time, at least after 1 week, I am again back. So just 2 videos uploaded for trigonometry. Okay, so guys, hope you have viewed my videos, hope you have understood the problem. So today I am going to teach you, I am going to explain you some another kind of problems on trigonometry only. So I will take at least some classes on trigonometry. So please stay with me, keep tuned with me. Okay, and again I am requesting kindly subscribe and share it to your maximum friends. Okay, see. So this chapter is on trigonometry. So let us take an example. Example is 3 cos theta. Question is 3 cot A equal to 4. Then find then check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Okay. So in this question is giving 3 cot theta 3 cot A equal to 4. So you need to check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Is this statement fulfilled or not? You need to check on that. So first you need to do from this 3 cot theta 3 cot A equal to, first you need to find out the triangle. So let us say A, B, C. As I have explained it to you, what is your perpendicular? Tell me, this one or this one? Yes, this one will be perpendicular because this is the opposite side, and this one will be base and this one will be hypotenuse. Okay. So cot A equal to 4 by 3. Cot A means B by P equal to 4 by 3. This implies B means AB by BC is equal to 4 by 3 equal to K. Let therefore AB equal to 4K and BC equal to 3K. Now you need to find out the other side. So you have calculated the AB and BC, but you need to find out the value of AC also. That you need to do by the process of Pythagoras theorem, by the theorem Pythagoras. So from the triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB means 4K whole square plus 3K whole square equal to 16K square plus 9K square is equal to 25K square is equal to 5K whole square. Therefore AC equal to 5K. Okay. Now you have calculated, from this statement you have calculated the value of AB is equal to 4K, BC equal to 3K and AC equal to 5K. Okay. Now I need to find out the value of tan A, sin A or cos A. Rest I will not find out because I require only 3 trigonometric ratio. I will not find out the cot A, cosec A and sec A. Understood? So now sin A equal to P by H. So P means BC by AC. So, BC means 3K by 5K equal to 3 by 5. Okay, find cos A equal to B by H equal to B means AB by AC equal to AB means 4K by AC means 5K equal to 4 by 5 and tan A equal to P by B equal to P means BC by AB. So, BC means 3K by 4K equal to 3 by 4. Okay, fine. So, I have the value of sin A is equal to 3 by 5, cos A is equal to 4 by 5 and tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, good. Now, I will calculate, now I will check whether the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. So, left hand side is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 minus tan A means 3 by 4 whole square, 1 plus tan A means 3 by 4 whole square equal to 1 minus 9 by 16, 1 plus 9 by 16 is equal to, take the LCM of 16, 16 minus 9 again 16, 16 plus 9 is equal to 16 minus 9, 7 by 16 and 25 by 16. So, 16 cancel out is equal to 7 by 25. Okay. Okay. Now, RHS. So, RHS is, Paul please take out this. Okay. Now, RHS cos square A minus sin square A equal to, what is the value of cos A? Is 4 by 5 whole square minus sin A 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25 equal to 16 minus 9, that is 7 by 25. See, now what is the value of left hand side? Is 7 by 25 and what is the value of right hand side? Is 7 by 25. That means, the value of left hand side is equal to the value of right hand side. Therefore, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. That is, this statement is true. Okay. Understood, guys? Fine. Thank you. So, let me do one more example. Okay. So, another question is, sec theta equal to 13 by 5 if sec theta equal to 13 by 5, then 2 sin theta 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta is equal to 3. You need to prove that. Okay. So, here also same thing. In this case also the value of sec theta is given. The value of sec theta is given. From the statement you need to find out the value of sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, and substitute the value of sin theta and cos theta, and then you can calculate then, and your result should come as 3. Understood? Okay. So, let me do it. Let us take a triangle, say A, B, C. Let me do this one is theta, this one is the angle, this one is the angle, not this one. Okay. Then what is your perpendicular? Will be this, base will be this, and hypotenuse will be this. Okay. So, sec theta equal to 13 by 5, sec theta means what? B by H, sorry, it is H by B, sorry, H by B is equal to 13 by 5. This implies H means AC by B means BC equal to 13 by 5 equal to K. Therefore, AC equal to 13K and BC equal to 5K. Therefore, from the Pythagoras theorem, you need to find out AC, BC and AB. You need to find out the value of AB now. So, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square equal to, this implies 13K, AB means AB square plus BC means, this implies 169K square is equal to AB square plus 25K square. This implies 169 minus 25 is 144K square equal to AB square. Understood na? I just transferred the 25K square to right hand side. So, this will come as AB square is equal to 12K whole square. So, AB equal to 12K. Okay, good one. So, from this AB equal to 12K and BC equal to 5K and AC equal to 13K. Good. Now, LHS, okay. So, 2 into sin theta, oh sorry, first I need to calculate the value of sin theta and cos theta. Now, sin theta equal to P by H. So, P means AB by H means AC. So, AB is 12K by AC means 13K equal to 12 by 13, and cos theta equal to B by H equal to BC by AC is equal to 5K by 13K equal to 5 by 13. Okay. So, this is done. Sin theta equal to 12 by 13 and cos theta equal to 5 by 13. Okay. Now, take the left hand side. Two sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta is equal to 2 sin theta. So, 2 multiplied by 12 by 13 minus 3 multiplied by cos theta is 5 by 13. 4 multiplied by sin theta 12 by 13 minus 9 multiplied by 5 by 13 is equal to 12, 2 into 12, that is 24 by 13 minus 15 by 13, 48 by 13 minus 45 by 13 is equal to 24 minus 15 is 9 by 13, 48 minus 45 is 3 by 13. Calculate, cancel it, 9 by 3 is equal to 3. See, this is the right hand side. Understood, guys? It's easy or difficult? Not a big deal, no? Yeah. So, what simple thing, basically you need to find out the trigonometric ratio, whatever the trigonometric ratio is required, find out the value of that, and then you substitute the value in this according to your question. Just simple, just as simple as, so simple. Okay. So, I will give you one more example so that you can clarify this. Okay. So, let us take one more example. Okay. So, cot theta, if okay, cos theta equal to 12 by 13, cos theta equal to 12 by 13, cos theta equal to 12 by 13, then show that sin theta into 1 minus tan theta, sin theta into 1 minus tan theta equal to 35 by 156, 35 by 156. Okay, understood that? Okay, fine. So, for that also you need to need a triangle, right angle triangle. So, let me draw this triangle is this ABC, this one is theta, this one is your required angle. So, perpendicular will be this one, opposite side, and base will be this, hypotenuse will be this. Okay, good. Now, see, cos theta equal to 12 by 13. So, what is the value of cos theta? Is B by H equal to 12 by 13. So, B means BC by AC equal to 12 by 13 equal to K. Therefore, BC equal to 12K and AC equal to 13K. So, see guys, I have I have the value of two sides, BC and AC. Whatever I require, once again this AB. Okay. So, I need to find out the value of AC by the Pythagoras theorem. So, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So, AC square means 13K whole square equal to AB square means I do not know, BC square means 12K whole square. This implies that is 169K square equal to AB square plus 144K square. So, shift this 144K square to this one. Okay. So, this implies 169 minus 144 is 25K square equal to AB square. Therefore, AB equal to 5K. Understood? So, 25K square means 5K whole square, 25 means 5 square K square. So, it is 5K whole square. So, AB equal to 5K. Okay. So, AB equal to 5K, BC equal to 12k and AC equal to 13k. Okay, good one. So, left hand side, this one. So first I need to find out the value of sin theta and tan theta, because in this question I require only the value of sin theta and tan theta, rest I will not find out. Therefore, sin theta equal to P by H equal to P means AB by AC equal to AB means 5k by AC means 13k is equal to 5 by 13, and then I require tan theta equal to P by B equal to AB by, so 5k by 12k equal to k cancel out, so 5 by 12. Therefore, sin theta equal to 5 by 13 and tan theta equal to 5 by 12. Okay, good. Now, sin theta into 1 minus tan theta is equal to 5 by 13 1 minus 5 by 12, yeah, is equal to 5 by 13 into, take the LCM as 12. So, this will be this 1. So, this will be 12 minus 5, understood that, no, equal to 5 by 13 into, this will be 7 by 12. So, 5 into 7 is 35 by 12 into 3 is 36, and 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, C equal to right hand side. Understood, guys? Yeah, it is easy, not so difficult, no? Yeah, good one. So, just do the practice. So simple is that trigonometry. What whenever you are going to this, first what you need to do, from this something in the question, some one of the trigonometric ratio will be given, you need to find out the another question. So, from this given ratio you need to find out the sides, because in any trigonometric ratio there is a relation between two sides, P by H, whatever it is, sin, for example, sin theta equal to P by H, cos theta equal to B by H, any trigonometric ratio, two sides is related to one angle, one relation. Okay. So, from this relation find out the two side, and after that the Pythagoras, use the Pythagoras theorem, find out the other side also. Then find out the ratio, what kind of ratio in your question, according to the question what are ratios required, find out that ratio. For example, this one, in this statement, in this question, sin theta and tan theta is required. So, I find out the value of sin theta and tan theta. Somewhere maybe cos theta, tan theta required, though you may find out cos theta and tan theta, rest you no need to find out all the ratio. After that, you just substitute the value of wherever the statement, whenever the question is there, you just substitute the value of over there. See here, in place of sin theta I have substitute the value of 5 by 13, this one is okay. After that, just a simple calculation are there, this is so simple. Okay, thank you guys. So, I will upload more video in my next time. So kindly stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel and send it to your friends. Thank you.